Guys, I just came back from jogging and I'm so proud of myself. I did 5,301 steps. My goal is to do 10,000 steps every day. I want to make myself a protein smoothie. I need to finish this pea protein. It's vegan. I got it from Discount. Just a little bit left. I love this protein so much. It tastes like hot chocolate for some reason. But it contains rice, pea protein, sweet potato, oats and rice. Oh, it has cocoa. Or do you call it cacao? Cocoa.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog. For those who are new here, my name is Khaone. I am a Motswana YouTuber based in Botswana, specifically in Ramotsa. Please click on the subscribe button below to become part of the family, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. For those who are returning, thank you so much, my love, for your support. I see you, I see your comments. You have welcomed me back from my last vlog. Thank you so much. Today it's a Friday. I'm starting a new vlog. That means I'll be posting next week. And I just finished exercising in the morning. Now I'm getting ready to go to Gaps. I'm actually going with my sister. She's here to pick me up. The scent of the day is Golden Decade from Zara. Yeah, so like, guys, if I go to Habron, I know I'm gonna spend a lot of money. I'm scared for my life. So yeah, because I need a few kitchen stuff, kitchen items, but I'm taking you along, thankfully. So yeah, let's go. Look at super soak. Sorry. Guys, I'm back home and the damage that I've done, it cannot be undone. Like, good, like it's horror. The amount of money that I spent today, but I'm happy. I'm glad I did. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got. I'm gonna start with Clicks. I went to Clicks to, actually my sister is the one who wanted to buy toiletry, and then as you know, when you go into Clicks, if you don't have self-control as me, you're definitely gonna buy something. So I got this Nivea deodorants. I love them so much. I don't have a spray. It got finished. I have the stick, the Dove stick, but I prefer this so much more. Since I have dry skin, I decided to buy this hyaluronic acid by L'Oreal. Then I got the hydrating day cream. The reason why I like L'Oreal products is they are anti-wrinkle and extra firming. Yeah, so I'm 35, guys. 35 years, can you believe it? 35, and I want my skin to look like I'm 20. Yeah, so the hydrating cream, but I've used it before. This is the first time I'm using this. And then I got the night cream too. Yeah, so what else? I got a hand wash. Initially I wanted to buy the refill, but the refill was expensive than the bottle, and I got it. And then I bought the thing. Okay, we are done with Clicks, right? So I also went to Pep Home. I've been meaning to go to Pep Home for the longest time, and for Pep Home I spent 609. Got Clicks I spent, because these items were on special, I only spent 650. So it's not bad. Yeah, so go Pep Home. I got this thing for it's a double sink caddy. So I'll just put it on my sink in the kitchen to store some hot scrubs. And yeah, I got the grater for like garlic, cheese. I also bought this. I got this specifically for Sasha because she's in her baking era. Girl is baking like crazy, like almost every day she's baking. Actually, I'm supposed to buy her some baking tins because the ones that I had, I took them back home. So yeah, I got her a measuring cup. I'm excited about this. So I have a vision of using this as to store my, what do you call it, my wooden spoons. It was 70 pula, 69.99. You know what, I'll figure this out afterwards. Let's continue because it's gonna delay us. And then I got this the spoon rest, so that when I'm cooking I place the spoon properly. It was 35 pula, 34.99. I also got myself these canisters. I am so happy about them, so happy. Can't wait to use them. This one was 54. I got 3 each, and I bought 3 of these. These are very long. Each was 70 pula, 69.99. I'm gonna put pasta in it, like linguine or spaghetti. It will depend on what I bought. Also like macaroni, your pasta, your penny. That's all that I bought from Pep Home. Oh, the lid is here. I'll wash them properly tomorrow and like remove the labels. And then last but not least, I got the most exciting thing that I've always wanted. Guys, I've always wanted a coffee machine for the longest time, and I was torn in between buying a manual coffee machine or an automatic one. The automatic one, I mean your Nespressos, the ones that you just buy this coffee cups, you know. But I fell in love with the manual one because I was researching on YouTube, and I fell in love with the manual one. I actually wanted to buy it out abroad and ship it to Botswana, but I saw it like earlier on when I was browsing on Facebook. I saw Horeko High Home Cup is on special. It's 1.8, so I bought the machine. I am so excited about it. I'm not gonna unbox it today because I will unbox it tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm expecting someone to come and put in the shelves here, so I don't wanna like unbox it now. But I like the fact that it has like accents of wood, and I'm really going for the wood aesthetics. Like even in the kitchen you can see over there I'm going with the wood. Even my salt and thing, black pepper thing, is wooden. Yeah, so this is my coffee machine. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It has a milk frother, and this is where you put your coffee beans. Yeah, so it also comes with some accessories like your coffee, what do you call it? Is it called a plunger or what? Yeah, I'll put it right here if I don't forget. Yeah, it comes with a little bit of accessories, but I need to buy myself a coffee grinder and coffee beans. I want to make my cappuccino as a labor of love. Like I need to work for it. But other days I'll just have tea, I'll just have what do you call it, Jacobs and everything. And the coffee beans, I'll just reserve them for only special days, special occasions when I need a cappuccino, not every day. Yeah, so I don't know where I'll get the coffee beans, but I was thinking I should check Woolies, I should check Checkers. I also need the grinder. I don't know where I'll get it, but I might buy it from, what do you call it, Take a Lot. Yeah, and then whoever goes to South Africa, I'll ask them to bring, yeah, the coffee, the grinder. Tomorrow I was supposed to go to Molepole tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go, but even if I don't go, I'll send my sisters are gonna go. I'll ask them to bring my Shein items I bought from Shein. Hold on, I'm not gonna show you my Shein order because it's for the birthday, so you'll see the items on my birthday when I'm wearing them. So you'll just know that these are the items that I was saying I'm gonna collect back home in Molepolole, because just dresses for the birthday. And my birthday is coming up on the 6th of September. It will be on a Saturday. I want to do a mini photo shoot, so yeah, I also want to spend time. I don't want to go for dinner. I want to spend a day somewhere at an Airbnb. So yeah, I need to book the Airbnb. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Today is a Sunday and it's very, very late. So I just finished washing the glass canisters that I got from Pep Home. I'm just letting them dry, then I'm gonna transfer food into them later on. Yeah, as you can see, the kitchen is transforming, or is being transformed. I've put the blinds yesterday, and the guys came over and also they put the shelves, and to say I'm happy is an understatement. Yeah, so my kitchen is coming along great. And then I think this area is complete. That one is complete. I just decided to put on that wall art to just conceal the meter box and the plug for the socket for the geyser. So yeah, my kitchen is coming along very, very well. I am so happy. I'm wearing the same t-shirt as on Friday, but a different color. I just realized after wearing it, and I ironed it, and I was like, I'm not gonna change. I'm just home. I'm not doing anything. So let's get to the unboxing.
Mother, she loves taking videos. Today I decided to be in the video because I was just bored. I was just watching anime.
So that's the coffee machine, guys. I love it so much. I love the color. Guys, we have come to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much if you have watched up to now. I'll see you next week. Love you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye.